To customize the lock screen on a Realme GT 7T, the first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings, we're gonna go to wallpapers and style, and then you can tap on the current theme in order to customize the lock screen. And there we go. Here we have the depth effect, which can be toggled if the clock, of course, detects any object that is in front of the clock, that potentially can be in front of the clock. There is also the style option where we can apply one of these available styles right here, and of course we can also apply a blur as well if you want to. And we can tap on the clock in order to manage the clock, so you can add additional info like the temperature or the step counter. You can change the clock style over here, and you can change the font too. You can make the font thicker or smaller, and over here if we scroll down we also have the color options, and that should be it. Once you are done, remember to press apply in the top right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.